Hello Urban Explorers, got a little treat for you here. I've never seen this little side trail, so we're going to check this out, explore this together. We're on the Interim hiking trail, walking along Clear Creek in Piedmont Park, and looks like there's a little trail that goes up here. Oh, I see. I don't know if it comes all the way through or not, but we'll find out. This is, oh, here's these transmission lines that we were talking about here. So we're doing a new tour called Envisioning the Eastside Trail, and it's been a lot of fun. Look at this. Yeah, it looks like this comes back around and hooks up into the Beltline. If you know the Interim hiking trail that runs along the eastern edge of Piedmont Park, that's where I'm at. And there's Clear Creek right there. There's a ton of kudzu right here. But yeah, that's kind of cool. So next time you're out here, check out this little side trail that I just went on. Puts you right back on the Beltline corridor right over here. We're on our way down to Amsterdam Walk. But anyway, having a great time on our Envision the Eastside Trail tour. This is part one. We're doing the north half to Ralph McGill, and then we will be doing part two in 2 weeks. We're doing it in the daytime. We're also offering in the evening. So you can find out a list of the upcoming tours at ATLsherpa.com. Thanks.